In this video, I'm going to show you how to pin the shortcuts in Microsoft Edge quickly and easily. If you use Edge every day, pinning your favorite shortcuts can help keep your most important pages right where you need them. It's a simple trick, but it makes browsing a lot faster and more organized. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tips just like this. Let's get into it. First, open Microsoft Edge and go to the page where your shortcuts are located. Once you're there, look for the shortcut you want to pin. Now hover your mouse over that shortcut so the options become visible. As soon as you do that, you should see a three dots menu appear. This menu gives you a few extra actions for that shortcut. Go ahead and click the three dots. From the menu that opens, look for the option that says Pin to Page. This is the setting that will keep the shortcut fixed on the page so it's easier to find later. Click Pin to Page and that shortcut will now stay pinned in place. If you have more shortcuts you want to keep handy, just repeat the same steps for each one. Hover over the shortcut, click the three dots, and then choose Pin to Page again. It only takes a few seconds each time, and once you've done it, your Edge page will be much more organized and convenient to use. This is especially useful if you rely on certain websites, tools, or apps throughout the day and want faster access without searching for them every time. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to pin shortcuts in Edge in just a few simple clicks. If this video was helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials and helpful browser tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.